All right, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. This is Patrick Joseph. I'm the owner and CEO of OCAD Best Practice Construction. This is OCAD Best Practice Construction 407-777-3234. 407-777-3234. I'm shooting this video here to show you this project that we just did here in Orlando. This is a bathroom remodeling. So I'm just stepping out to show you the bathroom. This is the finished project of the bathroom. We did the floor. This is the floor we have here. A very nice porcelain, Brazilian porcelain. We installed this all around the house, throughout the house. So also we replace everything here. We remove the walls and we install tile all around here and this very nice design at the middle. And also we replace, we had a vanity here. We replaced the vanity. We put this new pedestal here, and also we replaced the toilet. So we have a brand new dual flush toilets, and I like it a lot because not only is water efficient, and also because the tank comes together with the bowl. I don't have to worry about rusted bolts and nuts here. Everything comes together, and also, like I said, very water efficient. And we install also here this wall cabinet here on top of the toilet, because we don't have a vanity. So this is very nice. And I have to point out also, to make sure it's secure on the wall, we have to find a stud up here to screw it in the stud. So it's very strong up here, very secure. Also, we installed this new mirror here, a very nice mirror with a very nice light fixture with 4 LED lights, very energy efficient. And also we installed this medicine cabinet here in the wall, very nice also. So we have very nice brush nickel faucet up here, and we replace also the tub. We installed this new tub here and a very nice glass sliding door here for the shower, so we don't have to worry about shower curtain, and this is very nice. Also here we installed this very nice brush nickel faucet here on the shower. It is very good. So like I said, this project is very special project to me, and you're gonna see why. You're gonna see why in a second. So I'm gonna call the owners. The owners will come here. I'm gonna ask them, before I turn the project over to them, I'm gonna ask them if they like it or not. So can you please come up here? I'm gonna ask you about this project. So here we go. Like I told you, this is a very special project to me, because these two beautiful girls here, they are my daughters. This bathroom belongs to them. That's the bathroom. So I'm gonna ask them first, do they like it? Do you guys like the bathroom?
Yes, I really like it. Yeah, I like it.
All right. So and also they help out throughout the project, and you're gonna see some before pictures. While they were helping me doing everything here. So I did everything here with them. Okay. So OCAD, we do everything at OCAD. Not only myself, I can do anything and everything, when it comes to building. So this is my passion. This is my work. So guys, I know you like the project, but qui ça nous capable dire avec un plus d'amis, because we OCAD, we don't only have some English or Spanish or any other nations we also work for our brothers and sisters Haitian. So nous travaillons pour un pile frère et nous haïtiens. So qui ça nous a dit en créole et de O4 de papa nous de O4.
Moi je dis si vous voulez un projet pour arriver le OCAD, numéro c'est 321 94 3608 OCAD. And 321-594-3608 OCAD. Call Patrick Joseph, the manager.
What about you, Patella? Qui ça ou moi dit amis en créole?
Si vous voulez pour faire un projet dans le carré, vous mettez relais au cadre parce que il y a plein de temps et attendez et fait vous arriver et a fait toute bagaille bien. And I'm very thankful that my father got to do this for us because we really wanted our bathroom to be done, and he took his time to do it, and we're very thankful for him and this bathroom.
All right, thank you. I'm glad you like it because if you didn't like it, I would not sleep. So I'm glad you like it. So oui, so m'dap di nos amis, quel que soit le projet que nous gagnons, c'est relais-moi et 321 594 3608. 321 594 3608. So nous sommes contents pour nous venir, pour nous capables de servir pour quel que soit le projet qu'on gagne, rénovation ou bien réparation, vous capable de nous pour nous capables de servir autant que vous capable là. Toute bagarre là, nous changer toute bagarre dans là. So sans hésiter, relais-nous et que yes, so relais-nous, nous sommes capables de servir. D'accord? Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine pour quel que soit l'autre projet qu'on gagne ou capable de nous. So also nous gagnons l'autre miroir là que nous gagnons dans voilà so l'homme fin bien ou besoin si yourself ou bien l'homme fin habillé ou besoin garder ou just venir dans miroir là ou capable garder tout sans problème. So relais nous 321 594 3608. So n'a venir pour nous capable servir ou pour quel que soit projet que ou gagner. D'accord? Merci et à la prochaine. So, nous sommes contents pour nous servir, de pourrir les noms, nous venons la caillou sans problème, nous avons free estimation pour nous capables servir. So, pas hésiter, relez-nous, bah nous appel et nous venons la caillou pour nous servir. D'accord? Merci et que bon Dieu bénisse nous toutes. Nous avons appel et quel que soit côté dans Central Florida, vous capable relez nous, nous venons pour nous capables servir.